Welcome back to our Logistify tutorial series. Today, we'll show you how to generate and update driver statements using our dispatch software. Let's get started. First, on the Booking Summary dashboard, head to the top bars and click on Finance, then select Driver Payment Summary. This will take you to the Payment Summary table. At the top right of the Payment Summary table, you'll find a drop-down menu with date options. Customize your search to a specific date by selecting the appropriate dates. Next, select the priority pay on the table and go to the Action table. Click on the icon in the table to open a pop-up. Enter the payment date and click Close. Now, go to the Drivers option at the top and select Owner Driver. Click on the driver's name and then select Statement. Choose the specific month and click the icon on the View table. This will display the entire statement. In the statement, fill in the details for fine, advance paid, driver expenses, or any other debt or credit options. You can also click on Exempt admin fee if applicable. Check the total amount due to be paid and click Update. Finally, you can check the updated statement in the driver payment summary with the total amount to be paid. In the Action table, click the share icon and enter the amount and payment date. You can also choose to upload an invoice or enter notes, then click on Save. The updated amount will show on the statement table. Check the box on the table, then click on Send Statement. A pop-up will appear to cross-check if you want to send the statement. Click on Send to confirm and successfully send the statement. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update driver statements in Logistify. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.